Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10-line essay on aeroplane. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, an aeroplane is a flying machine. Second line is, its driver is called pilot. Third line is, it takes off and lands in an airport. Fourth line is, it was invented by Wright brothers in 1903. Next line is, it has two big wings and a tail. Sixth line is, it carries hundreds of passengers. Seventh line is, it covers large distances in a matter of hours. Eighth line is, it has made our traveling much easier and more comfortable. Ninth line is, it connects people and countries. Last line is, it is one of the most significant inventions by humans.